Hey friends, I am so excited because we are here to do mini madness and it's been a while since I've done it, so I'm really hoping to maybe finish a challenge or two and just get super close to finishing this binder. Oh, yes, that would be super exciting. Okay, so let's show you the money first. So this money is coming from my latest Etsy payout, which I will get tomorrow. So today is Monday, September 9th. It gets deposited today and then it clears tomorrow. So tomorrow it'll be in the bank. So I will just take that money and transfer it right over to savings. And the Etsy payout was $847, which, oh my gosh, that is the biggest payout I've received in quite some time. Now, I do think well, I know this is for 3 or 4 weeks. I think 3 weeks. So, it's not just 1 week, but still it's a huge amount and I am so thankful. It is definitely being put to really good use. So thank you so much if you supported my shop. I did have a sale and I think I may add back in another sale too. So, if there's anything maybe you wanted to grab but you missed out on or whatever, anything you've been looking at, check for a sale within the next few days because I'll probably put one back up. But thank you so much. So $75 is going to taxes. This is going to finish out what I need for, actually it's in 6 days I need the money, so this is going to finish that out and then just start me back off with $15. I'll need the next payment, I believe, in January. So we're finishing that out and putting some towards some credit cards. You guys, you are helping me fund my tattoo. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but this combined with what I have in a savings challenge and the $100 deposit I already put down, I'm hoping is more than enough. I'm hoping I won't need that much, but I'm setting aside $300, just to be on the safe side. And then we're going to put the $50 towards Mini Madness. So just once again, thank you so much. I am just so grateful. This is really a huge help right now. So as I said, $50. Let's go ahead and give it a quick count. 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 50. And we have a $50 bill here. This is what I'm actually going to go ahead and put in the envelope at the end just so it's nice and condensed. But I like pulling the money. I don't like using a calculator because I usually can't remember if I subtracted it or not. So we're doing it this way. And yes, sometimes I forget if I grabbed the money also, but it's just much easier for me to do it this way. Whoops, I bumped you, sorry. Okay, so hi, how are you? This little dice tower is Dungeons and Dragons themed. I did get it off Amazon, and the only reason I chose this one was honestly because it was the cheapest out of all the dice towers I've found. I don't really care what it looks like. I just kind of care about the functionality. So if you're interested in this, I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront that's below in the description box. I thought about covering it up with vinyl or making it pretty or something, and maybe some century I will do that, but that time is not now. So here's how we play this if you're new. This is my Espresso Yourself Savings Challenge binder. It's all coffee themed, as you may have guessed. It is available in my Etsy shop. So again, look out for a sale. If I end up putting one up, this may be on sale if you're interested. But it has 11 challenges in here. And then an envelope at the back to keep your money. So what I do is I roll a 12-sided die. And that tells me which challenge to do. I do have the challenges numbered here in the corner. They don't come numbered like this. I just did that to help me. And if I happen to roll a 12, it just means I get to choose the challenge that I want to do since there are 11 in here and not 12. So let's get going. All right, so we're starting off with number 8, and you guys, today, like I said, it's Monday, September 9th. My daughter started preschool today. I have been waiting for this day for quite some time, and let me tell you, it is so quiet around here with her in school and my son at school, and it's just glorious. It's absolutely glorious. Okay, so for this, we got a cold brew, which is $3, so we're going to set aside $3. So yeah, I did get a text from them. They said she is doing great, which is wonderful. Drop-off was actually surprisingly easy. She wasn't afraid or didn't cry or anything, so I'm happy about that. We'll see what tomorrow brings. She's only going to be going 2 days a week, so yeah, we'll just see. Okay, so I rolled a 1. 1 or 2 is sugar cubes, and sugar cubes are $3. And then as I go, or actually right now, I'll probably just exchange these and take a 5. I only did 2 $5 bills because I don't think there are too many large numbers in this binder. And so, yeah, I wasn't sure. Okay, a 12. So that means I get to choose. And I think where I'm going with this one is this roll and save, since we only have 1 done on here so far. So let's go ahead and see what we got. We got a 4. So we'll put in, I think I'll just put this last 5 and take a 1 out, and there we go. So, yeah, she started school. We're rolling along with school for Rowan, my son. And let me know how you all are. How is school going for your kiddos if you have kids that are in school? How's it doing? It's fall, you guys. It's, well, not officially, right? $4 going in. But it's like all the fall things are kind of out. The pumpkin spice and everything. That's a 9. And all the fall decorations. Okay, 9 is done. So let's just roll again. Number 10. 10 is done. So you know what? Let me just go back here to this one. I'll finish the last scratch on this one. I just ran over to the new house and put my outside fall decorations up, and I absolutely love how they look. I said to my husband, I said, hey, they look so nice. I would buy this house if it was for sale. So yeah, I'm excited to have the fall decorations out. As far as how things are progressing with the house, they are going good. We are finishing the basement, if I've never mentioned that. And right now they have some of the walls up. The basement is going to be my office slash craft room, $1. And so that needs to be done before we can move in, because I need a place to work. But it doesn't need to be completely finished. Okay, number 1, that's done. Let's just finish out number 2. Maybe I'll just kind of go through and I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying to multitask and it's really not working for me, you guys. All right, $2 on this one. And then we finish this one. Yes. So yeah, so my office needs to be done, but not completely done. So like our plan is to, number 7, to put a laundry room down there. In other words, like that's where our washer and dryer is. So we just are gonna kind of wall it in along with the furnace and stuff. So it's like one big utility room. And then of course my office. And then I know I'd mentioned we are putting a bathroom down there. There was a sort of bathroom already. We are just adding a bathtub and things like that. So it's gonna kind of be 3 rooms down there. And the other 2 rooms don't need to be finished for us to move in. Really, it's just my office. And that doesn't even need to be completely finished. We just need the walls up, and I guess the flooring down. And then any kind of like finishing touches can be done, you know, while we're living there. Number 12 is you choose. So let's just stay on this one, get another one done. A 6. Wait, don't have any 6s, no 4s, a 1. Okay. We already have like the outlets put in down there. If I could grab some pictures, some progress pictures, maybe I will, and I'll stick them in right here. Just a couple. The kitchen is essentially done. All the flooring is done. The only thing that's not done is we need to get some new molding for like under the cabinets and all along where the old molding was that we took out to put the floor in, and then put the thresholds back or maybe purchase new thresholds. If you guys, let me know, what color are your thresholds? So they're like the old metal ones, you know, that go from, they kind of cover the transition for the flooring from one room to another. And ours are golds. And I'm like, what colors do they even come in nowadays? Because I really don't know. And should I just keep the gold because I have gold in my kitchen? All right, that's a 1. So again, sugar cubes for $3. Or should I not? I don't know. So let me know what color yours are. All right, let's go here and just, I'm kind of winging it and going all over the place today. So $3. I was hoping we could finish this binder, but it's not going to happen. $5. Maybe next time though. $4. So yeah, the kitchen is essentially done. The bathroom is basically finished, except I need like my towel hooks, my toilet paper holder, all those hung, which is kind of tricky because, all right, you know what? We have $3, so I'm just going to put a 3 here and then we finish this one. Yes. It's tricky because we have like tile there, so it, you know, they need to be drilled into the tile. So those need to be hung. I don't know. It's just coming along. We've still been painting. We are painting the entire house now at this point. Originally, we weren't planning on doing that much. And every time we paint another room, we're like, well, we got to do this room and we got to do this room and we got to do this room. So we're almost finished. And yeah, it's just taken a long time. I painted the window trim in the kitchen black. That was not my first choice, but then I kind of came around to the idea. I think it looks nice. So yeah, just lots of work still going on and I'm really excited. All right, let's see how many challenges we have done. So 1, if I could separate these, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 11. So basically half, because there's one in here that is kind of never ending, this one. So we're essentially halfway finished. And then maybe next time I won't roll. I will just kind of go through and see if I can get, you know, finish these, because if I roll a 4, that's taking money away from the other challenges that I can finish. So, all right, $50 going in. Let's take the money out and see where we're at. And once again, I'm so excited to be putting some money towards this. It feels like it's been a little bit. And so let's see what we have. 100, 50, 70, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3. Yes, $203, you guys. Ah! Oh, yes, that feels so good. And I'm guessing it's probably going to be close to another 50 or so to finish this. I honestly really have no idea, but that's my guess. So the next time I do Mini Madness, I'm going to aim for $50. I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not, but we will see. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, sticking around with me. As I said, if you're interested in this, you know, you can feel free to go pick it up in the Etsy shop. Thank you just so much to everyone for your support, whether it's with the Etsy shop, with my channel here, the membership, all of the things. I'm just so, so grateful for you. I'm so grateful that you watched till the end, and I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.